The Poo-Heads are coming. Look out, look out, look out.
Hi, I'm Stu, and I'm the cartoonist who draws Poo-Heads, the books that are written by kids for kids. In this video, I'm going to tell you how we create Poo-Heads comic books. Be sure to check out our other Poo-Heads videos too, where you can learn all about the creators of Poo-Heads, the Wright brothers, and even how to draw your favourite Poo-Heads characters. The first thing that happens when we put together a Poo-Heads comic is the boys, Carter and Marlo, sit down with their mum Maddie and write down a whole lot of ideas. They create the new characters and draw things they want to be in the book on a big sheet of cardboard. This is known as a mud map, and it's the very start of how the comic is made. They then talk about what they want to happen in the book. This is called the plot. Basically, they roughly start with the beginning and figure out where they want the story to go. They then sit down and start writing, one chapter at a time. This includes a script. The script is all the words the characters will say and exactly what they are doing in each panel. They then draw out the book panel by panel. The panel's a little square in where each picture is in the book. After they finish a chapter, they send it to me with the script drawn in each panel, and that's where my work begins. After I get the script and the rough panels that the boys have created, I sit down and study it. I work out how the pages are going to look and where each panel is going to sit on the page. This is called a layout. Now, on my computer, usually using special art programs, I draw the panels on each page to make up the chapter. Basically, it's a whole lot of pages full of boxes. Once I have an idea of how it's going to look, I get out my pencil and I start drawing, panel by panel. This is called penciling. Sometimes I have to draw the panel quite a few times to get it right. I rub out the old drawing with an eraser and start again until I'm happy with the way it's going to look. Once I'm happy with each drawing, I bring out a marker and I trace the pencil lines. This is called inking. After the pictures are inked, I rub out the pencil and I scan them into my computer and I start colouring the picture before adding it to the panels that I've already created. I do this over and over again until the whole chapter is complete. I then add in the voice bubbles. They're the round bits that have the words in them, and the little pointy bits that are pointing to who's saying what. I then type in the words that Carter and Marlo have written and put them in those bubbles. Once the chapter is finished, I send it off to the boys and they, along with their mum Maddie, edit the chapter. That means they check the whole chapter to make sure it's exactly what they wanted. If there are any changes, which there often are, they send me a list of what they want changed and I go to work making those changes. When they're happy with a chapter, they print it out and stick it to the wall in the hallway to monitor its progress. Slowly but surely, we fill up the wall with every page in the book. Now, while I'm drawing each chapter and putting it all together, the boys are busy writing and scripting the next chapter. Once it's done, they send it through to me, the next chapter script, and it all starts again. But that's not the end of it. From there, we have to edit the whole thing. Check for spelling mistakes and make sure the comic book flows and makes sense. Carter and Marlo's dad Lloyd and my son Oscar then go to work reading every word from the top to bottom, making sure it's right. Any mistakes, we have to fix. Now that's all done, we send the files off to the printers. They print it and make it into the book we all love. But guess what? That's still not finished at that point either. Then we do some marketing. Marketing is where we make social media tiles. They're the pictures that we post on social media. And make ads for magazines and the website and for the newsletters. These have to be sent out to people so they know where to buy the books. Overall, each Poo-Head comic is about 200 pages long, so it takes a few months to complete. It's not an easy job, and it takes a lot of hard work from the boys, from Matty, and from myself. But it's all worth it in the end. We have a fully printed comic book for you to read, and hopefully you enjoy. Thanks for watching this video on how do we create Poo-Heads. Be sure to watch the other Poo-Heads vids, where you can learn more about the Wright brothers, learn all about my journey and how I became a Poo-Heads cartoonist, and even how to draw Poo-Heads. Until then, keep dreaming, keep drawing. Bye.
Poo-Heads are coming. Freak out, freak out, freak out, freak out. They're coming to get you, no matter what you do.